Subscribe, like, and click the notification bell for more updates. Let's go start. This is the before makeup. This girl is my niece, yes. Malayo yung mukha namin kasi anak siya ng ate ko. So, natapos ko na po yung buhok niya. And nakapag-prime na rin ako before mag-foundation. And yung ginagamit kong foundation is Superstay, and I really love this foundation because of its coverage. So, sa ngayon, sa video na to, makikita nyo sa title, of course, I will be teaching you how to put the makeup base for a longer wear, and yeah, para hindi, saggy or whatever, para hindi pangit yung mukha nyo. So, as you all can see, yung tube yung ginagamit ko kasi nagtitipid ako kasi maubos na siya. And wala pa akong pambili. Char. Pero totoo, wala pa akong pambili. So, I'm blending it using this stippling ba tawag dun? Basta, yung brush na yan, galing sa cousin ko outside the country, and it's Ulta brush, I think. Ulta yung brand niya, and this brush is so good. Yes, really. Of course, while blending, don't forget the ears, because ears is ears. So, maingay yung aso ko. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Ayan, blend everything. And next is the concealer. Hindi ko na pinakita yung pag-apply. Siyempre, makikita nyo rin naman kung paano yung apply. So, I'm mixing the Age Rewind from Maybelline, of course, and Fit Me, because that too works really well. And it's super good. So this video is not a one brand or whatever. I just love using a Maybelline. But makikita nyo yung ibang brand rin mamaya. Just keep on watching. Yes. And now for the cream contour, I'm using the Careline stick, and this contour stick is really good. Hindi siya yung sobrang tapang, but alam niyo yun, yung blendable siya, and very nice coverage, na parang mag-contour ka yung parang shadow lang. Basta super good. I really recommend this contour stick, and sobrang mura. So, I'm blending it by using a circular motion. Wala lang, makikita ko lang sa mga beauty guru. Yes. Para siguro mablend ng maayos. So, circular motion. I don't know. Next is setting the concealers and everything by using the EB Advanced Contour Palette, and it's so good. I am telling you, it's so good. I'm using that that yellowish shade. Wala lang, parang linis niya lang tingnan if ganyan siya. If parang yellow yung under eyes niya. Yeah. Just putting powder sa lahat ng concealer. So, nilalagyan ko rin yung dyan sa may gilid ng niya. Basta yan dyan. Nakikita nyo yan. para line niya ng maayos yung contour, yung hindi sobrang baba. Ganun. Hindi kasi ako marunong mag-explain, that's why. And mahirap magsalita while doing this video because sobrang ingay sa bahay. Kaya, ayan, record lang muna. And now I'm contouring all over her face by using the first shade. So, ayun nga. Using this brush where I got sa Buff Ilo. Yeah, it's a store, of course. Dito sa Iloilo, of course. Yeah, the brush is good too. But the thing is small. Very small yung niya. Basta alam niyo na yun. Of course, don't forget the nose, bitch. The nails. You know, her nose is very, So, ayun na nga. So, the products I'm using is I really recommend it to everyone. These products are so good and very affordable. Siyempre, kung wala tayong pera, edi this. So, dito, isaset ko na lahat by using that Maybelline, ewan ko pangalan yun. Basta yung press powder ng Maybelline. Yeah. May yan eh. Parang refill nyo lang yan. Kasi mas mura yan kaysa sa may laman niya talaga. Yung may, what do you call that? Yung cover niya talaga. And, pares lang naman na formula, and yeah. So back to the powder from EB contour palette and dabbing it around her face, the yellowish tone there, and then wipe it off. Yeah, naglitch. This is finished product. I just made her eyes and voila, all done.